Hello my friend, here is Christian from Fiverr.com. Here it's another idea about a possible micro job you can do in a simple way. So people are interested about information. Matter of fact, information is very important for everything. So you can go to Jigtask, you can register free, and you can make some simple micro job, like I will find you a lot of information about anything you want for $5. It is a very big subject. Everything I do day by day, it's based on my searches. So I used to search for information. Before I started the promotion, I used to search for information. I need to go to buy something, I search for information. I don't know, I want to do something and go to Hollywood, I search for information. Yes. So right now I will try to show to you what do you need. So you need Google. Yes. So you go to Google and you insert here in this little box how to search on Google, how to search on Facebook, how to search on Twitter, how to search on I don't know what kind of site. Yes. So you can use Google and the best sites in the world, and you'll find a lot of information. For example, I found this site. You see how to search the internet. This is the first idea, how to search the internet. Yes. So you can use search engines, you can use keywords, you can start learning some things from here. Maybe not all the things from here, but after a while, I'm sure you already know a lot of things about how to search something. Yes. Or you can see here in this example how to use Google to search. Yes. Go to Google, but which Google? Yes. You can read here and you can understand different ideas and different behaviors, and you can achieve that kind of knowledge you need to make a little micro job, like I will found information for you about anything for $5. Yes. Let's see here. 7 hours on Facebook search engines. Yes. Look, all the pages I told you are very high rank. Yes. So these people who write this article knows what it's all about. Yes. So look, Bing, PowPass, currently open book. So you need to learn, and you can see here recommended articles. That's a really cool Facebook timeline. I don't like this. How to customize this is you should never share. Okay, no, not here. Let's go to another site. So how to search YouTube like a pro with Google Advanced Operators. So you can use Facebook, YouTube, Twitter. Yes, you can even use Dig or StumbleOpen. Yes. So you can use based on relevancy, based on your search query. You upload date to find most recent videos, view count to find the most viewed videos, rating to find the highest rated video. Yes. So you are good to go to these pages. You'll find these pages in Google, and you'll understand. I don't know. Look, use plus sign to force a word in the result. Yes, I have no idea about this. Right now I know. Yes. So force any word to appear in the video title with help on in title. So you can use a lot of things. Look like best Google search tips and operators. 3 hidden features in Google Advanced Search you may not know about. 10 tips to have fun using advanced Google search for images. So you can use Google, and the page you'll find in Google, for example, Twitter. let's how to search Twitter. You search by bio. Here it's very interesting. You see this kind site, twitter.com, bio keyword in null status. So you can use blogs instead of Twitter. You can use images instead of Twitter. Yes. So this little box will give you all the information you need. You need only to start asking yourself if it is. This is a very interesting. So you have everything on your fingers. Yes. Everything. So everything is here in Google. Everything it's matter. Everything is important is here in Google. Yes. You can see here a lot of other kinds. So music, books, mobile translate, finance, photos. Yes. Use this and do go today to Jigtask and make this micro job like I don't know, like a joke or a play. Yes. So for you will be very important this stage of development. So to know how to search. Yes. And if you make some micro jobs, like I will search for you any kind of information for $5 or $10 or whatever, and if you receive orders, you'll see will be very, very simple to find a lot of things about anything, about anybody. Yes. Okay, here was another example of simple micro job. You are good to go. You are good to make in 2 minutes starting from now. Thank you. Bye bye. Cristian here from Fiverrway.com.